Alright, this LeetCode question is called Best Time to Buy and Sell Stock 2. It says, say you have an array for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on day I. Design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. You may complete as many transactions as you like. You may not engage in multiple transactions at the same time. You must sell the stock before you buy again. The first example they give us is with the stock prices being 715,364 and the output is 7, because you would buy here when it's 1 and sell when it's 5. That'll give you a running total of 4. And then you would buy here when it's 3 and sell when it's 6. That would be 3. You add that to the total of 4 so far, and that'll give you 7. Example 2, the prices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the output is 4, because you buy it when it's 1 and you sell it when it's 5. And for example 3, the prices are 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, and the output is 0 because there's no time where you would buy it and then sell it for a higher price. Alright, I think the best way to solve this problem is to first look at it as a graph. Alright, so here we have a graph of these data points. Let's just look at the first line. Would this line increase our profit? No, because we bought the stock at $7 and sold it at $1. That would give us a $6 loss. How about the next line? Let's say we bought at $1 and sold at $5. Would that give us a profit? Yes, it would. We would get $4 from that. How about the next line? Buy at 5, sell at 3. Nope, that would give us a loss. Alright, so the pattern here is that in order to get a profit, the data point to the right has to be greater than the data point to the left. We'll see that again here. Start at $3, you go up to 6. That would increase our profit. Even the next one, you start at 6 and you go up to 7. That increases the profit. So the key to solving this problem is to look at the data point to the left and the data point to the right. If the data point to the right is greater than the data point to the left, then we add it to our total profit. So let's say total is 0. Is 1 greater than 7? No, it's not, so we move on. Is 5 greater than 1? Yes, it is. So we add the difference, which is 4, to the total. Let's move on to the next ones. Is 3 greater than 5? No, so we move on again. Is 6 greater than 3? Yes, so we add that to the total. 3 plus 4 is 7. And finally, is 7 greater than 6? Yes, it is. So we add that difference to the total. 1 plus 7 gives us 8. All right, let's get to the code. What LeetCode has given us is a function called maxProfit, which accepts an array called prices. This array is just an array of the stock prices on any given day. So remember, what we have to do is we have to calculate the total. So let's create a variable called profit to keep track of the total profit. So profit is 0. Now we have to loop over every number in the array. So for let I equal 1, why is I 1 instead of 0? Because we're starting at the number 1, and we're going to compare it to the number to the left of it, which is the number 7. So let's finish this. I is less than prices.length. And then I++. Now we're going to say if the price we're on, so if prices I is greater than the price to the left of it, so price is I minus 1, And if you look to the left, that's actually not the case where we are because 1 is not greater than 7. So let's just skip to the next loop. Now we'll be at the number 5. Now, is 5 greater than the number to the left of it? Yes, it is. So what do we have to do? We just have to add the difference between those two to our total profit. So we'll add the number we're on minus the number to the left of it. So that'll give us the difference to the profit. 5 minus 1 is 4. So that'll be our profit so far. All right, next loop will be on the number 3. Is that greater than the number 5? No, so that will not add to our profit. Next is the number 6. Is that greater than 3? Yes, it is. So we'll add that difference to our profit. 6 minus 3 is 3. Add that to our current profit, which is 4. That'll give us 7. And then finally, we're on the number 7. Is 7 greater than 6? Yes. So we'll add that to our profit, which will give us a final profit of 8. So all there's left to do is to return that profit. Okay, let's run the code. Looks good. Let's submit it and see how we did. All right, so this solution was faster than about 99% of other JavaScript submissions. As usual, the code and written explanation are linked down below. If you want to support the channel, just give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.